had lymphoma.
Yes. And insuficiencia cardíaca.
Insufficient cardiac.
And I can't move, I can't breathe, respirar. Also, I can't eat, sleep, walk, go upstairs. But thanks God and thanks my doctor, he make me transplanted the células madre.
The stem cell, you had stem cell treatment.
Yes. Y mi vida cambió, my life changed 100%. Me ayudó, helped me to have a better quality of life and a second chance in my life.
I'm standing here with Dr. Chimwick, and I just spoke with Moses, and post-treatment, 35 days, he's amazing. Can you tell me how he was before he came to see you?
Okay, he came to our office like 2 months ago in a terminal condition, terminal heart failure, very enlarged heart, with impossible to walk, impossible to stand up due to shortage of breath. He was with chest pain. He cannot walk more than 2 and 3 meters. So we performed to him the nuclear medicine, the echocardiogram, and we show the ejection fraction very low. It's about 15% of ejection fraction. So he was waiting for a heart transplant, and in my country it was impossible to give a new heart for him. So we explained to him that the stem cells can be a possibility, a new alternative to try to improve his condition. So he and all his family accept the treatment, and we put the stem cell into his veins, into his coronary veins. So after 1 to 2 weeks, he came back to my office, and he was walking like 1 block, and he told me that right now he can do things that he was impossible to do it before. So right now he's 35 days after the treatment, no shortage of breath, he can walk almost normally, and no more edema, no more swelling, and he's taking the same medication as before, and the most important thing, and that he's having an excellent quality of life.
What would you advise patients that are seeking stem cell treatment, that are thinking about stem cell treatment? What would you tell them? What kind of advice would you give them?
I can tell them that don't miss this opportunity, because it's a second chance in their lives, and you can see me. I have this second opportunity, and I thank God and all my doctors here for this chance. Don't miss this chance.